Welcome to Tech Deals Hub, where we find the best tech offers and break down real performance so you can get more for your money. Today, we're breaking down the Keychron Q1 Max RGB custom mechanical keyboard, a premium hot swappable, programmable keyboard with a full metal build, programmable knob, Keychron Jupiter Red switches, and versatile connectivity, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or wired. It works with Mac, Windows, and Linux, and supports both QMK and VIA for deep customization. By the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest deals and current price, because high-end mechanical keyboards like this often see seasonal discounts or bundle offers to what do these numbers and features actually mean in real-world use? Let's start with the hot swappable switches. This keyboard uses Keychron Jupiter Red linear switches out of the box, smooth, light actuation ideal for gaming and fast typing. But because it's hot swappable, you can easily pull out and replace switches without soldering. Want a tactile bump? Swap in tactile switches. Prefer clicky? Install clicky switches. It's a modular platform that grows with your preferences. The full metal chassis gives this keyboard a premium weight and feel. Unlike plastic boards that flex or feel hollow, a metal frame delivers solid stability and vibration dampening, which improves both the typing sound and the overall feel. That's one reason why many enthusiasts prefer metal keyboards. They feel substantial and durable. One of the standout features on the Q1 Max is the programmable knob. This knob isn't just for volume. It's programmable via QMK or VIA to control media, lighting, macros, scroll speed, application switching, or custom functions. That turns a single physical control into a dynamic input you can tailor to your workflows, gaming macros, or productivity setups. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find these deals. Connectivity is extremely flexible. You can use the keyboard in 2.4 GHz wireless mode via the included dongle for fast, low-latency wireless performance. Great for gaming without wires. You can also pair via Bluetooth to multiple devices, like a laptop, tablet, or phone, and switch between them seamlessly. And if you want maximum responsiveness or power for RGB lighting, you can plug in via USB-C wired mode. That adaptability makes it ideal for desk setups, mobile workstations, or hybrid workflows. Let's talk about customization and programmability. The Q1 Max supports QMK and VIA, which are two of the most powerful and widely supported open firmware platforms for mechanical keyboards. With VIA, a user-friendly configuration app, you can remap keys, set layers, customize the knob behavior, and program macros without any coding. If you want deeper control, the QMK ecosystem lets you tailor everything from matrix scanning to advanced macros and lighting effects. The RGB lighting on this keyboard is fully customizable per key, with lighting effects that can respond to key presses, layers, or reactive modes. You can personalize colors and animations to match your rig, ambient setup, or theme, and save lighting profiles right on the keyboard. Keychron also includes generous compatibility. It works with Mac layouts out of the box, with Mac legends printed on keys, but also swaps layouts easily for Windows and Linux systems. That's ideal for mixed environments where you might game on Windows but work on a Mac. The keycaps and layout options are often swappable too, giving you more flexibility on look and feel. The ergonomic layout of the Q1 Max, often featuring a 75% or full-size configuration depending on model, provides navigational keys and function rows without excess bulk, making it a great choice for both productive work sessions and intense gameplay. Is the Keychron Q1 Max RGB custom mechanical keyboard worth buying? If you want a solid-feeling metal keyboard with hot swappable switches, deep customization via QMK/VIA, wireless versatility, and a programmable knob that enhances workflows and gaming macros, this keyboard delivers a premium experience for enthusiasts and power users alike. It's equally at home on a productivity desk, creative station, or gaming rig, and the ability to truly make it your own sets it apart from basic keyboards. Thanks for watching Tech Deals Hub. If you enjoyed